Could you imagine a world where artificial intelligence aids in diagnosing diseases, predicts health risks, and even helps in surgical procedures? This might sound like science fiction, but the seeds of this reality were planted years ago. The dawn of AI in medicine was met with both curiosity and skepticism. Many questioned the feasibility of machines playing a role in the deeply human-centric field of medicine. Despite the initial doubts, the early applications of AI in healthcare started to make waves. Basic data analysis became a cornerstone, as AI systems began to sift through vast medical data, identifying patterns and trends that were often overlooked by the human eye. This pattern recognition capability was a game-changer, enabling quicker and more accurate diagnoses. These first few steps might have seemed small, but they were significant. Indeed, the early days of AI in medicine were marked by small steps, but these paved the way for greater leaps in the future. From humble beginnings, AI has grown to become an integral part of the medical field. Its journey, akin to a gripping novel, is filled with chapters of progression and breakthroughs that have reshaped the landscape of medicine as we know it. In the early chapters, we saw AI take its first steps, aiding in simple tasks, such as data collection and organization. As it gained momentum, it started playing a more prominent role, assisting doctors in patient diagnosis. Today, AI-powered diagnostic tools have become a common sight in our healthcare system. These tools, with their ability to sift through vast amounts of patient data and identify patterns beyond human comprehension, have significantly improved the accuracy and speed of diagnosis. But the narrative doesn't stop there. As we moved further into the plot, we saw AI venturing into the realm of predictive analytics. With the power to analyze and interpret data from various sources, it has given healthcare providers the ability to predict and prevent potential health issues before they arise. This has not only improved patient outcomes but also revolutionized the way we approach healthcare. The latest chapters of this narrative see AI making strides in precision medicine and drug discovery. By leveraging AI's capabilities, researchers are now able to develop personalized treatment plans based on a patient's genetic makeup, lifestyle, and environment. In the field of drug discovery, AI has shortened the time it takes to identify potential drug candidates, speeding up the process of bringing new treatments to market. Yet these are merely the chapters we've written so far. As we flip the pages to the future, we can only imagine what lies ahead. AI's role in medicine is expanding at an exponential rate, delving into areas that were once thought to be the sole domain of science fiction. As AI continues to evolve, so too does its role in medicine, expanding into areas we could have only dreamed of a few decades ago. So where is all this leading us? What might the future hold for AI in medicine? Well, the potential implications of artificial intelligence in medicine are as vast as they are exciting. Imagine a world where AI could create personalized treatment plans tailored to each patient's unique genetic makeup and lifestyle. No more one-size-fits-all medicine, but care that is as individual as you are. Moreover, AI could take patient care to the next level. Predictive algorithms could identify health risks before they become a problem, allowing for preventative measures to be taken. That's not just healthcare, that's smart care. And let's not forget about the global implications. AI could be instrumental in combating global health crises by quickly analyzing data and identifying trends, speeding up response times, and ultimately, saving lives. So, as we look toward the future, it's clear. The horizon for AI in medicine is broad and promising, filled with potential to revolutionize healthcare as we know it. So, from simple data analysis to complex predictive models, it's clear that AI has made significant strides in medicine. We've seen its humble beginnings, where it was primarily used for data collection and analysis. It soon evolved, becoming an integral part of diagnostic procedures, treatment plans, and even in surgical procedures. The progression and expansion of AI in medicine has been nothing short of phenomenal. It's not just about machines doing work, it's about machines learning, adapting, and improving, all to provide better healthcare. And the future? It's looking promising. With continuous advancements in technology, AI has the potential to revolutionize healthcare even more. It could mean early detection of diseases, personalized treatment plans, and improved patient outcomes. As we continue to embrace the power of AI, one thing is certain. Its impact on medicine is profound and will continue to shape the future of healthcare.